Hi friends, welcome to Digital School for Kids. Today, we're exploring the most amazing machine on Earth, your body. From your heart to your brain. Are you ready? Let's begin. Starting with the easy level. What organ pumps blood through your body? Heart, brain, or lungs? Heart. It keeps your blood moving. What part of your body helps you smell? Ears, nose, or mouth? Nose. It helps you smell flowers, food, and more. Your heart beats all day and night. True or false? True, even while you sleep. What organ helps you think and remember things? Heart, stomach, or brain? Brain. It's the control center of your body. What organ helps you breathe air? Lungs, brain, or bones? Lungs. They bring in oxygen. Guess the object. Skeleton. It's made of 206 bones. Which organ helps you digest food? Heart, stomach, or brain? Stomach. It breaks food into energy. What gives your body shape? Skeleton, muscles, or skin? Skeleton. It holds you upright. You breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. True or false? True. Your lungs do that every second. Which organ controls your breathing and heartbeat? Heart, brain, or eyes? Brain. It manages everything automatically. What connects your bones together? Muscles, joints, or hair? Joints. They let you bend and move. Bones help your body stand tall. True or false? True. They're your body's strong frame. How many senses do humans have? 3, 7, or 5? 5. Sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. What's the hardest part of your body? Teeth, bone, or skin? Teeth. Tooth enamel is the hardest substance. Guess the organ. Brain. It helps you think, dream, and learn. Now let's move to the medium level. How many bones are in an adult human body? 206, 350, or 100? 206. Babies have more bones at birth. Which muscle never stops working? Arm, heart, or leg? Heart. It keeps beating even while you rest. Your blood is blue inside your body. True or false? False. It's always red. It just looks blue under skin. What part of your body helps control balance? Hands, nose, or inner ear? Inner ear. It helps you stay steady and not fall. What organ cleans your blood? Kidneys, liver, or lungs? Kidneys. They filter out waste. Guess the object. Lungs. They help you breathe air in and out. What are red blood cells for? Fighting germs, carrying oxygen, or helping digestion? Carrying oxygen. They bring air to every cell. How many teeth does an adult usually have? 32, 20, or 28? 32. That includes wisdom teeth. Your skin is the body's largest organ. True or false? True. It covers and protects everything. What gives your body energy? Food, water, or bones? Food. It fuels your brain and muscles. Which organ removes toxins from your blood? Liver, heart, or stomach? Liver. It's your body's natural cleaner. You have more than 600 muscles. True or false? True, and they all help you move. What's the smallest bone in the human body? Nose bone, finger bone, or ear bone? Ear bone. It's called the stirrup bone. Which system carries blood through your body? Circulatory, digestive, or skeletal? Circulatory. It's like a road for blood. Guess the object. Heart. It beats about 100,000 times a day. Now the final round, hard level. What is the scientific name for the skull? Cranium, skeleton, or backbone? Cranium. It protects your brain. How many chambers does the human heart have? 2, 4, or 3? 4. 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Your brain stops growing at age 10. True or false? False. It keeps developing into your 20s. What connects the mouth to the stomach? Throat, windpipe, or esophagus? Esophagus. It's your food tunnel. Which organ controls your emotions? Brain, heart, or stomach? Brain. It's where feelings come from. Guess the object. Nervous system. It sends fast messages everywhere. What is the longest bone in your body? Spine, femur, or arm bone? Femur. It's in your thigh. What part of the brain controls movement and balance? Cerebellum, cerebrum, or medulla? Cerebellum. It keeps you coordinated. The liver can regrow itself. True or false? True. It's the only organ that can regenerate. What percentage of your body is water? About 60%, 50%, or 30%? About 60%, you're mostly water. What's the main job of white blood cells? Carry oxygen, fight germs, or build muscles? Fight germs. They're your body's defenders. Your bones are stronger than steel. True or false? True. Ounce for ounce, they're stronger. Guess the organ. Kidney. It filters your blood every minute.